Welcome to Yin Relax. Take a moment to get yourself situated with your most comfort. Maybe you float your arms and roll out your wrists. Maybe you take a big, long, full body stretch. Squeeze your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, sigh it out. Let the shoulders drop. Settling yourself in. You could choose to allow the eyes to close, or you could let them stay open, but let your gaze become soft. And let us begin to attune ourselves to our surroundings. Noticing how the light is in your room, any sounds you might hear outside of where you're practicing or in your house, or anything that's happening in your environment. Is the heat on? Do you feel cold? Allowing all these sensations, and then not trying to change it, just accepting everything the way it is. Allow yourself to take in a full in-breath. Squeeze your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, sigh it out. Let the shoulders drop. I invite you to settle yourself into more and more comfort. If you have a blanket and you give yourself a nice tucking, that can feel kind of comforting. It's like swaddling yourself. Let your breath become easier and steadier and more nourishing. Bringing awareness to the forehead, letting it soften. Bringing breath and awareness into the eyes and the eyebrows, and letting them soften. Bringing breath and awareness into the ears and the scalp, and letting them soften. Bringing breath and awareness into the lips, gums, teeth, and jaw, and letting them soften. Bringing breath and awareness into the throat, shoulders, arms and hands, and letting them soften. Bringing awareness into the heart, belly, back ribs, back waist, lower belly, pelvic floor, and hips, letting this whole main portion of your body soften. Bringing awareness from your hips down into your legs, knees, calves, ankles, tops of feet, soles of feet, all the way to the tips of the toes, and letting them soften. Bringing awareness to your whole body. Inhaling to the whole body and letting it soften. And with this soft and harmonious body and breath, we come to our practice of giving thanks for anything that we can think of. It might be for the weather, the leaves, the sky, for your house, your practice. And let your own mind go on with your list of giving thanks. Taking another breath or so. Allowing thankfulness to well up, gratitude to well up inside you. Knowing that a true spiritual practice is to bring more and more and more peace inside yourself and out into the world via your own inner peace. Laying your hands on your heart, thank yourself for giving yourself this time to practice yoga. Thank yourself for this dedication that you have to the health of your mind, body, and spirit. May we all be filled with peace and ease and bring this out with us into the world. Namaste.